Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. OneDrive error code 0x6 time FEA. So how to resolve? So firstly guys, properly restart your system. Then I will give you step by step solutions. Okay. So run Windows Store app troubleshooter. Okay. So click to start button, then guys setting, then in system scroll down, troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters, then scroll down. So guys, run backup installation transfer service. So please run this. Okay, and Windows update also run. Okay, then close. Next step. Next, reset OneDrive settings. So guys, press Windows R on your keyboard, and when run Windows app, the copy paste this link. I will that all the command I will give in descriptions. Then guys click to run. Okay, so automatically to reset. And might be if you face the error, so in case try this one. Okay, these two command I will give in description, so you copy and paste in the run. Okay, and then click to okay. Okay, this is for 32 bit. Okay, means x86. Next guys, run network troubleshooter. Again click to start button, then go to setting, then in system scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and click to network and internet, click to run. Okay, then next, reset internet connections. Okay, so guys, run administrator, CMD type in the search box, right click to run as administrator. Then guys, this is 5 command, so one by one copy paste, otherwise you can enter the manual and then enter. Okay, then guys close the CMD and restart your system. And next solution, reinstall your OneDrive. Okay, next you have to clear temp file of the OneDrive. So again Windows R, then type percentage temp and percentage. Okay, this, then click to OK, then select all and shift delete. This is temp file, this is not required to your system. Temp file means you need to temporary. Okay, then close it. Next, update, check your update. Click setting, Windows update. If you have any pending updates, so firstly guys you have to install and then try. Okay, close it. So next solution, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look
located in the screen. So when you enter some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah. And then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. Then your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.